How to make money on Depop. Well, making money on Depop is by simply turning your clothes into cash or anything that you want to sell on your Depop platform. So you can make money by simply selling your clothes, or if you have a business or shop or legitimate, let's say shop or anything like that, go to your browser and search for Depop sell, and you'll find the first link there, which is Depop start selling. So you want to make sure to just click on that link. After you do that, you'll find the sign up option located at the top right hand side. So you can simply go to the sign up option there, and over here you'll see to start with your Google or your Apple ID. If you want to link with those, that's perfectly fine. If not, then you can also just click on the continue with email option here. Then all you have to do here is to make sure to enter your first name and your last name, and once done you can enter your username and your password. Then you can also just tap on the next option from the bottom over there in order to go ahead and basically sign up on Depop. Once you've done that, you'll be able to list your clothes or any of the products that you're trying to sell, and you can turn them into cash, and just like that, likewise you'll be able to make money on Depop once you start selling. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.